Building a quality culture is crucial in today's fast-paced business world, and it's not just a buzzword, it's a game changer. It is something more than a high-quality product commitment. How to start and reinforce it. Here are some best practice principles for building a quality culture in your business. A quality culture starts with leadership. Leaders must set the tone for the rest of the organization by communicating the importance of quality and leading by example. This means consistently demonstrating a commitment to quality and holding everyone accountable for delivering high-quality results. Quality is not just about doing things right, it's also about doing the right things. Training programs can improve the organization's knowledge and skills for high-quality results. Employees can be trained in a variety of areas to ensure high-quality results, such as quality management systems, process improvement methodologies, and customer service. A quality culture is one that is always looking for ways to improve. Empowering employees to identify and address areas that need improvement fosters a culture of continuous progress. This can lead to higher levels of customer satisfaction, increased efficiency, and improved business performance. Building a quality culture requires collaboration across all levels and functions of the organization and out of it. Encouraging open communication, cross-functional teams, and collaboration between departments can help break down silos and promote a shared commitment to quality. Finally, recognizing and rewarding high-quality work is essential to building a quality culture. Celebrating successes, providing feedback, and offering incentives can help reinforce the importance of quality and motivate employees to continue delivering high-quality results. Build a quality culture and drive your business forward. Start now and experience the positive impact on your organization. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.